Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting by verifying prerequisites. Confirm the account is professional and back up any post data and contact info. Open the app and go to your profile, tap the menu and select Settings. Once done, choose Account to see account type options. This is where you begin the switch. Make sure you're on the primary device and connected to a stable network because the next steps change profile features and permissions. You now perform the switch. In Account, tap Switch Account Type and pick Switch to Personal or Switch to Creator depending on your goal. Read the on-screen list. Instagram explains which features you lose, like insights or ad tools, so you know why you might export data first. Enter your password or confirm your email/phone when prompted to authorize the change. Once confirmed, the app updates settings. Make sure to check Profile Contact buttons and business categories afterward. Finish by inspecting your profile. Verify that the contact button, category, and insights reflect the new account type. If something looks wrong, log out and back in or reinstall the app. Clearing cache often resolves sync issues. If Instagram blocks the switch or shows an error, wait up to 24 hours for server-side processing, then retry. For persistent problems, use the app's help or report a problem to contact support. Provide screenshots and timestamps to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.